Customer I'm headed to right now had her system installed in June of 2018, so it's about 7-8 months old at this point. It is February. I guess she's getting ready to sell the house. Had an inspector out who has decided that the outdoor disconnect is too small for the home. It's a 2.5 ton unit. Good rule of thumb is there's 10 amps per ton, so it should have a 30 amp disconnect on it. Of course, that'll depend on the label of the equipment. We'll double check it when I get there. Okay, so basically the electrical inspector notated 25 amp maximum fusible. Like I said, good rule of thumb. This is a 2.5 ton unit. Every ton is 10 amps, so you figure 2.5, 25 amps. But it's got 25 amp maximum fusible circuit, okay? Looks like disconnect goes into this main panel. And sure enough, it's 30 amp double pole. So really what needs to happen is I just need to downsize the breaker. Not a big deal, make the inspectors happy. So. So anyways, let me get in here, pull this panel open, we'll change this breaker out. Make the inspector happy, make them match up. And we're back. Well, minimum circuit amperage rating is 17. Supply House didn't have a 25, they had a 20. So we're gonna go ahead and put this 20 in and Yeah. Neat tool. Gyroscopic. Give me some time. All done. So that call was kind of interesting. Inspector actually caught this. It was a 25 maximum circuit capacity on the unit. Had a 30 amp breaker on it. Kind of a whoops moment. We did install the equipment back in June. Guys just didn't catch it and replace the breaker. Quick and easy fix. Minimum circuit capacity on the thing was 17.2 amps. I would have loved to put a 25 amp breaker on it, but my wholesaler didn't have a 25 amp breaker, and I don't carry breakers on my truck. So we put in a 20. It'll meet the requirement. Run load amp on that unit's 12 amps, and like I said, minimum circuit capacity 17, so 20 amp breaker should be just fine. It doesn't exceed, and it isn't undersized, so unit's up and running and no further issues.